What's up, everybody? It's Jason Ward with the Safe and Healthy Kids Wellness and Nutrition Department, here with another quick hits video giving you resources you can use today in your after school programs. Our resource for the day is straight from the physical activity resource or activity and more guide. This is found under the upcoming national days or crafts, and November 13th is World Kindness Day. So there's two activities in there. The first one we'll go over is a kindness cloud. So in this activity, your students will be creating picture frames with a kindness cloud inside of them. You can do this as using a canvas and painting watercolors on it, or if you don't have that, or if you're doing it virtually, students can just use paper at home. They'll write the name of one of their friends, or they can do their own name on a cloud. Then they make little strips of different colored paper, kind of like a rainbow coming out of the cloud, with some traits about themselves or that friend that they chose. And then before they glue it on, they can actually, if they have some glitter or you have some glitter, they can put glue and some glitter around their name, make it a little fancier, and then glue those descriptive words underneath the cloud and then frame it. This lesson can be found again on the virtual physical activity and more resource guide within the upcoming national days section within the table of contents. This is a great way for younger students to start thinking about themselves and their friends and some of the qualities that make them nice or make them friendly to others. So check it out. That is creating a kindness cloud, and this goes hand in hand with some of the stuff that Every Monday Matters is doing. The theme for Every Monday Matters is for November is Monday Gets Kind, so it kind of lines up with World Kindness Day. Check that out. That's kindness clouds within the physical activity and more resource guide. Really cool activity, little arts and crafts activity you can do with your students. That's all for this time. It's been Jason Ward, and we'll see you next time.